Hello everyone, this is Kenny here at KP Theft Design, and today we're going to continue from the last video we made on the service page, the single page layout. So next thing I'm going to add is another bar graph. It goes right under the icons within the contents bag. I don't think we need to clear it, but let's start down here. Sometimes you need to clear it. It's almost like gap, but clearing it gives it also that gap that it needs. Sometimes the contents are together, are floating together, so you put clear and it separates them. So let's go ahead and add the bar graph. So we're gonna create one column. In this case, we just want a half a column. Okay, let's do that. Let's close it. Let's give it a headline. Well, this headline is going to be similar to the other ones, so let's just copy it from here. We're going to say here, we stack up. How we stack up. Let's give it some more attributes. Let's make some changes here. Actually, just leave it the way it is right now. That should be good enough. Let's take a peek. Okay, looks like, yeah, we might have to clear. It created another photo here. Let's see what I did here. Another icon. So I think if we have to close this here, so let's put last one equals true, or last equals true. If not, then we might have to clear it, but let's try last equals true, because I don't see, there's not another one of these down here or anywhere else for it to implement this column, extra column. So let's update. Yeah, there you go. So we still have 4 columns, and now we have our headline right here. So we want the headline within this section, and then we're going to put the bar graph right under it. Okay. So let's go ahead and add the bar graph. The bar graph is going to be similar to the other ones we've done in the past, except you could give it like different titles, different text, different name. So we can just copy this part right here. we can say something like, since this is services, we can say that we give like real estate services, just anything, doesn't matter, just to make it look a little different. We're gonna leave the colors the same color. Okay, let's update this and see what it looks like. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, what we're gonna do with the bar graph. And let's go ahead and add some image here and maybe some more text right under it. Let's see. Okay, the other half of this column, I'm going to add another heading with an image. So let's do that. Give it the same heading over here, different text. Happy clients. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab an image. So I'm just going to paste the link, the URL link here. It's a pretty long URL link. Let's update this. Take a peek. And here's the image. Images always make websites a lot better. It just gives it that life that it needs. Yes, especially when it's really good, a really good image. Okay, so right under that, let's add more content, and in this case I'm gonna add more images. So let's start by putting these images right under this column right here. Right after this clear, because here, let me show you what happens. I'm gonna add these images and show you what happens when you don't have the clear shortcode. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a column. In this case, it's going to be 1/3. We want 3 images. So we're just going to create the first one and then copy and paste for the other 3. So let's give it a promo. Text align. Align it to the center. Actually, no. This is hard code CSS. So I already have the URL link, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste it. Paste it right here. I'm gonna take that part off, and then we're gonna add some. Let's add a heading first. Give it some styles. MTN. And if you guys are wondering what MTN means, again, you can go over here to short codes or xtheme, CSS classes, and then you'll hear and it explains what each of these classes are made out of. Well, they try the best way they can to explain, if not all, maybe most of the classes. So MTN. So again, this is just a brief explanation of what it does. This is margin top none. That's what MTN means. Okay. Let's give it a name here. Small. We have this up here. Let me just copy this. You don't have to constantly type the same thing over and over again. Let's fit right here. And we could probably copy the rest of this. Yeah, let's copy the rest of this. So just copy right here. There you go. Let's take a look. The good thing is that we're both learning this new theme at the same time, so whatever errors I make, you guys also can follow through and learn as I go. Okay, so it looks like I put this within a different section, and that's why it's white. But let's check it out and see what happened. Okay guys, so our time is up. So on the next video we're gonna fix the error we were looking at, and we're gonna continue on finishing up the service section. Thank you for watching. Till then.